Today we're going to explore an amazing invention that changed the world, the printing press. We'll learn about how it works, its invention, its evolution over time, and some interesting facts. Let's dive in! The printing press is a machine that allows us to print books, newspapers, and other materials quickly and in large quantities. Before the invention of the printing press, books were copied by hand, which was a slow and expensive process. The story of the printing press begins with a man named Johannes Gutenberg. He was born in Germany around the year 1400. In the 1440s, Gutenberg developed the first movable-type printing press. This invention made it possible to print books much faster and more efficiently than ever before. Movable type means that individual letters and symbols are cast on separate pieces of metal. These pieces can be arranged and rearranged to form words, sentences, and pages. Once set, they can be inked and pressed onto paper to create a print. Gutenberg's printing press used a hand-operated screw press, which was similar to those used in winemaking. The press applied pressure to the paper and inked type, transferring the ink from the type to the paper. One of the first major books printed using Gutenberg's press was the Gutenberg Bible, also known as the 42-line Bible. It was printed around 1455 and is considered one of the most beautiful books ever made. The invention of the printing press had a huge impact on the world. It made books more affordable and accessible to more people. This led to an increase in literacy and the spread of knowledge and ideas. Now let's talk more about how a printing press works. The basic process involves several key steps: setting the type, inking the type, pressing the ink type onto paper, and then drying the printed pages. First, the printer selects the letters and symbols needed for a page and arranges them in a frame called a composing stick. The letters are placed backwards so they will print correctly on the paper. This backward arrangement is like a mirror image, which might seem tricky, but it ensures that the text reads properly when printed. Once the type is set, it's carefully transferred to a larger frame called a chase. The chase holds the type in place and is locked tight to ensure that nothing moves during printing. The next step is to apply ink to the type. This is done using a roller or a dauber, which evenly coats the surface of the type with ink. The type is now ready for printing. A sheet of paper is placed on top of the inked type. The press then applies pressure to the paper, pressing it against the inked type. This transfers the ink from the type to the paper, creating a printed image or text. After printing, the pages are carefully lifted and placed to dry. Once all the pages are printed and dried, they are assembled in the correct order and bound together to form a book. This method was revolutionary because it allowed for the mass production of books, newspapers, and other printed materials, making them more accessible to people all over the world. Printing presses evolved over time to become faster and more efficient. For example, in the 19th century, steam-powered presses were introduced. Steam-powered presses could print thousands of pages per hour, much faster than hand-operated presses. This made printed materials even more widely available. Another important advancement was the rotary press, invented by Richard March Hoe in the 1840s. The rotary press uses rotating cylinders to print on continuous rolls of paper. This innovation allowed for high-speed printing, especially useful for newspapers and magazines. The paper passes through the press and comes out printed on the other side, making it an efficient way to produce large quantities of printed material quickly. Offset printing, developed in the early 20th century, became another major advancement. This method uses a rubber blanket to transfer ink from a plate to the paper. In offset printing, the image to be printed is first transferred to a metal plate, then to the rubber blanket, and finally onto the paper. This process is highly efficient and produces high-quality prints. Now, let's talk about digital printing, a modern technique that has revolutionized the printing industry. Digital printing involves printing directly from a digital file without the need for physical type or plates. This method is especially useful for short print runs, as it allows for quick setup and production. Digital printers can print on a variety of materials, from paper to fabric to plastic. One of the most exciting developments in printing technology is 3D printing. Unlike traditional printing, which creates flat images or text on paper, 3D printing creates three-dimensional objects. 3D printing works by building objects layer by layer, using materials like plastic, metal, or even chocolate. To create a 3D printed object, you first need a digital model. This model is designed using special software and then sent to the 3D printer. The printer reads the digital file and begins to print the object layer by layer. Each layer is very thin, sometimes less than a millimeter thick. As each layer is added, it bonds to the layer below, gradually building up the final object. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the size and complexity of the object. 3D printing has many applications, from creating prototypes and models to producing custom parts and even medical implants. One fascinating example of 3D printing is in the field of healthcare. Doctors and engineers use 3D printing to create custom prosthetics for patients. These prosthetics are tailored to fit the individual perfectly, providing better comfort and functionality. Another example is in architecture and construction. Architects use 3D printing to create detailed models of buildings and structures. This allows them to visualize their designs and make changes before construction begins. 3D printing is also used in the automotive and aerospace industries to produce lightweight and complex parts. For example, car manufacturers use 3D printing to create custom parts for race cars, while aerospace companies use it to produce lightweight components for aircraft. Even artists and designers are using 3D printing to create unique sculptures, jewelry, and fashion pieces. The technology allows for intricate and creative designs that would be difficult or impossible to make by hand. 3D printing has truly revolutionized manufacturing and design, opening up new possibilities in many fields. It's a great example of how printing technology continues to evolve and impact our world. The history and evolution of printing are a testament to human ingenuity and the desire to share knowledge and ideas. From Gutenberg's movable type press to today's digital and 3D printing technologies, each advancement has brought new opportunities and challenges. The invention of the printing press allowed for the mass production of books, making information and literature accessible to more people than ever before. This helped spread literacy, education, and culture, leading to significant changes in society. Today, printing technology continues to evolve, making it easier and more efficient to produce everything from books and newspapers to custom-made products. The impact of printing on our world is immense, and it's exciting to think about what the future holds for this technology. Thank you for joining us today to learn about the fascinating world of printing, from the early days of the printing press to the latest in 3D printing technology. We hope you enjoyed discovering how these technologies work and their impact on our lives. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and educational videos about the amazing inventions and technologies that shape our world.